Welcome to this lesson on Green Information Technology, or Green IT. In this and the upcoming lessons, we will discuss how the IT sector can contribute to environmental sustainability through the adoption of eco-friendly practices and technologies. With rapid technological advancements, IT has become an integral part of our daily lives. However, the energy consumption and electronic waste generated by IT infrastructures have raised concerns about its environmental impact. Green IT aims to address these concerns by promoting eco-friendly practices in the design, use, and disposal of IT resources. Green IT is the set of strategies, practices, and technological solutions designed to reduce the environmental impact of the information technology industry. In recent years, IT has become one of the most energy-intensive sectors in the world, playing a significant role in CO2 emissions and the production of electronic waste. The main goal of Green IT is to improve energy efficiency, reduce consumption, and promote a more sustainable use of digital resources. But what are the main problems that the IT sector faces in environmental terms? Let's take a look at them together. One of the most important issues is energy consumption. Data centers, that is, the infrastructures that house servers and network devices, consume about 1 to 2% of global energy. With the growing adoption of cloud computing, this percentage is expected to increase. A second critical issue concerns CO2 emissions. The IT sector is responsible for about 3 to 4% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions. This figure might seem small, but if we compare it to sectors like aviation, we realize that the IT industry contributes significantly to global pollution. Finally, we must consider the management of electronic waste. Every year, millions of tons of obsolete electronic devices are produced. Often, this waste is not properly recycled, causing harm to the environment and human health. Now that we have identified the problems, let's look at some solutions. To reduce the environmental impact of the IT sector, we can adopt several strategies. One of the first solutions concerns the production of more sustainable hardware. With the increasing use of technology, electronic waste is becoming a serious threat to the environment. Green IT encourages responsible disposal and recycling. Some companies are already using recyclable materials and low-energy components to reduce waste and extend the useful life of devices. Software also plays an important role in sustainability. Well-designed software consumes fewer hardware resources, thereby reducing energy requirements. Developers can optimize their programs to reduce the load on the CPU and memory, indirectly contributing to energy savings. Data centers and IT infrastructures consume enormous amounts of electricity, much of which is generated from fossil fuels. Another key strategy is the creation of eco-friendly data centers, equipped with advanced cooling systems and powered by renewable energy sources such as solar or wind. Furthermore, server virtualization makes it possible to reduce the number of physical machines in operation, resulting in significant energy savings. Finally, cloud computing can be a sustainable solution if managed properly. By sharing resources among multiple users and optimizing server usage, we can reduce energy waste and improve operational efficiency. Large companies operating in the sector are increasingly adopting green IT strategies. Let's look at some examples. Google has built data centers powered 100% by renewable energy, improving cooling efficiency and reducing CO2 emissions. Apple is using recycled materials in its devices and has created recycling programs for all products. Microsoft is investing in reducing carbon emissions and developing more sustainable software solutions. Adopting green IT practices offers numerous advantages. Reduction of energy costs. Companies can significantly save on their electricity bills by optimizing the energy consumption of their IT systems. Lower environmental impact. The use of sustainable technologies helps reduce CO2 emissions and waste production. Innovation and competitiveness. Companies that invest in sustainability enhance their reputation and attract environmentally conscious customers and investors. Improved operational efficiency. More efficient IT systems lead to more stable operations and a reduced need for frequent upgrades. Regulatory compliance. Governments and international organizations are imposing stricter regulations on energy consumption and electronic waste management. The adoption of green IT practices enables organizations to comply with these regulations. Green IT is a constantly evolving field, and at present, there are no well-established best practices or standards. In the upcoming lessons, we will take a closer look at some aspects related to green IT that will help us better understand how to assess and reduce the environmental impact of technological infrastructures.